at the beach. Yeah.
I heard someone talk behind us. I swear to God.
What?
That's so black.
And now there's a haunted street we're on. We should probably get out of the street.
Yeah.
I'm gonna walk across.
Tell some people. That's kind of. I gotta pee.
What?
Me too.
It's haunted?
No.
We're on a haunted street.
Who says I'm not?
What if a fish goes up your
It goes up my crotch and I get.
Oh my God! Is
Enough
anyone
to
on
where a
the
fish can go inside.
Hey,
That is my question.
hey, there's some weird stuff if you watch Discovery Channel.
Right.
I like your guys' hats. They're so baby.
Maybe she lost her voice. Oh, this house down.
How rude. So I'm gonna turn the camera around now. Okay. Oh, it was her phone talking.
Yeah.
Well, here's the niceness of the beach. I didn't use your face. I'll blur it out. Don't worry. Dirt rag. You ain't important enough to me. I don't want to break my ankle again. 3 years in a row, bro. Actually, 3, and I did twice in 1 year. Hey. Hi, fuck boy. Oh, that's a girl. Fuck girl. Is that a thing? What's the equivalency of a female to a fuck boy?
What?
Really? I thought a fuck boy was like stupid. Oh, you're hot. What is this? I'm gonna take that.
Now, when you're about to leave and you have to feel the stairs move back up.
When you, oh, and we're like 20 times heavier because of the water.
Yes.
We're gonna have dry clothes though.
We're gonna have sand up
Oh.
our
Oh.
I got clothes.
Oh my lord. I'm scared of stairs.
I got clothes.
That 1 year I fell down this. Look at the water. I look so baby. I look like such a tourist. My skirt is flying up. No way, no. Oh, I'm going Maryland right now. Just run. Right now. Oh my God,
It's like.
that looks grimy. Oh no, don't fall. That looks like, what does that look like, Linda? Linda, what does that look like?
That looks like a penis. Straight up
Protect
penis.
area. Oh,
See, this is why I like this fucking beach, because the water is right there. We don't have to walk another fucking mile to get to the water.
The dirt sand.
Yes.
I hate
Because I'm
sand.
lazy and I love it.
Oh, there's seaweed. I'm outies.
That's hot.
What?
When you sag too low.
Linda, I mean. Yeah, I know. It was meant for you. Look at all these people. Oh, I hate sand, dude. It goes on my skirt. Booty. Wait, what? Hey, are they getting married? I feel like they're getting married. Ow, my toe! I hate seaweed. Ew. That's.
It's not never this bad. It's like half.
It's Saturday. Look at that gross seaweed. I hate seaweed. Get away from me. Swear, Alondra. Swear. There it is. Hey, this water doesn't look that grimy.
No, it's really fucking.
Oh, I need to make sure I don't fall because I have my phone in my hand. Is it cold?
No! It's coming!
Oh, sorry, guys. On the real, that's so baby. Linda's just like, okay. How are you feeling about this beach? This food does not give a fuck. Look at this food. Look at this food right here. Look at it. Not giving a mad fuck. I care about. Oh no, it's coming. I hate seaweed, dude. Disgusting.
What? You really want to?
No, we should go over there. There's like no people over there. Yeah, but we're
Damn, you see a yacht.
oh, that guy sitting on the wall though. From here, he looks great. Perfect shade of brown. My toes are gross. Ooh, that selfie stick though. Why did we? Relationship goals AF? Just kidding. You're gross.
What?
Oh, boy. That looks like Aaron. Hi, Aaron.
Head all the way down here.
Swear if I die today, I'll be pissed. Yes, I'm fat and I'm wearing a skirt. You do not have to stare at me. Thank you. So, I've had my beach fun. I'm done with the beach. It messed up my hair. I was getting called lava girl in the water. I couldn't see because, you know, I can't see them haters. Guys, I want to be super famous and then make a shirt that says I can't see them haters and like the glasses coming off.
Remember, I knew you before you were famous.
You have to remember that and hit me up. Thank you. Anyway. And then they were like, where's Shark Boy? And I was like, shut up, gay boy. Boy, if you didn't have 3 children behind you, and if you were a little bit thicker and taller and hotter, oh, we'd be together. If only. Anyway, it's sunny. I think Alondra had your fair share of beach.
I hate it.
So there's Bay over there, right? But Bay's taken. No. You get your sandy feet.
Bitch, shut the fuck up.
Don't be fucking rude. Are you kidding me? I swear to God, don't be fucking.
TBH, I should have brought some shampoo and some conditioner. I want to wash my hair. Twerk for me, girl. Ooh. Damn, are you sandy cheeks? Because you got a lot of sand on your cheeks.
That wasn't me. I was doing this one. We can do some. Hurry the fuck up. We're gonna make some sandcastles.
Hey, let me see your butt, sandy cheeks. Are you in SpongeBob? Cause girl,
I'm a lesbian. Sorry.
Yes. Look at that water. It looks nice, but it's evil and demonic and tries to kill you. And you try like seaweed is after you the entire time. I got touched by seaweed. And y'all know how I feel about seaweed. I did not almost kill you. You almost killed yourself because you're dumb. You freak out and stuff happens when people freak out. I feel like there's dirt in my soul. I really want to wash my... We could tell sandy cheeks. Why are you like walking across on toes?
What?
Yeah, we can just like sneak in there for a while.
She has her security high. Because this is all of her ex-husband, her husband. She's a widow now.
I'm a widow.
Husband's boyfriend? I mean, kid?
Her husband's boyfriend? How do you get husband kid? What? Is that for canoeing? What? Oh, I could zoom in on video. Who knew? Look at that canoe. Is that a canoe? What the hell is that?
I'm digging a hole to China.
You're digging a hole where?
To China.
Ooh.
Bitch, you said China.
I said I'm digging a hole to Japan. I don't belong in China.
My cousin lives in Japan.
Huh?
My cousin lives in Japan. Look at that dog. Hi, dog. Excuse me. Where you going, bitch? Oh. Are those cuties? Are those cuties? I'm gonna circle them in my video.
Once you get lost.
One time at the beach with my ex-best friend, she was trying to change and I was holding up a towel and she was butt naked, right? And I accidentally dropped the towel. And then some guy was just like, what the? Her ass was so white and so sandy. I don't know what was worse, but it was white or sandy. No offense, white people. I love y'all. Except the ones in Laguna, because they're getting me mad. Are you hot? I feel like you're hot, but I can't really see because the sun. Ooh. Damn, boy, that booty dope. High key on camera. I like your cake, sir. Ooh, you're gonna stand there so I could admire your cakes. Whoop. I'm gonna pretend like I'm texting and then tell them they have nice cakes. Alondra, tell them they have nice cakes. Let me holla at that booty. Why am I not famous? What the? Holla at booty. My favorite booty though. Alondra, shake it. You're doing so good. Stripper material. Huh?
Just saying like, oh hey, I'm a reporter. I came here to ask you if you like interview. I feel like people bullshit that. Just so they can be able to ask some questions.
I would so be down. Oh my God, you guys. Can we one time just bust a mission to do that?
What's your YouTube channel name?
But I actually have a YouTube channel.
That's why you can use that to talk to
I'm just getting some B-roll over here.
That's how you can get famous, by interviewing like people, like that one guy.
Kellen Quinn, if you see this, boy, we're meant to be together. Instagram told me so. I love them sandy back knees.
You're like, I love you, bitch. I never gonna stop loving you, bitch.
Linda, how do you feel about the beach?
It's hot. Really hot.
I'm really hot. I should probably go interview people. That'd be kind of cool though. If anybody's looking for a YouTube channel, it's Rubiverse. R-U-B-I-V-E-R-S-E. Universe. I'm sure y'all know how to spell that. It's the same, just without the Ruba. Talk about man candy. Did you hear what I just did? I zoomed in on the guy. I was like, talk about man candy. Oh, little girl, you wanna? That seaweed is gonna attack. Please, the Lord, please save her. Oh, put it down. How do you just? You are the demon. You are the spawn of Satan. Put it down. I hate seaweed. Woo. Are you taking videos of me, Linda? I'm like super zoomed in, sorry. Watch videos on Linda, I was trying to shout myself out.
Her reaction was so cool.
Watch videos on Rubiverse Universe on YouTube. I'm funny. I didn't even get to finish. Look at these sandy legs. My legs are so gross, dude. Ma. Is that little girl still playing with the seaweed? Yeah, the spawn. Satan, look at Satan got her. That's so mean. Dude, Satan is gonna take your soul if you keep playing with that seaweed. Dude, we almost got attacked by Ginger.
Yeah?
Babe, why are you playing? Look at Babe back there. I want to turn around and get him on camera, but I can't really do it without being not suspicious. Yeah, right. Ooh. Talk about men. Oh, you stick that booty out. Stick it out. Ooh, model for me. He was straight up like posing. What's over there, huh, sir? Look at there's the moon. Can you see it? Oh, yeah, you can. I want to wash my hair. You are a real man. You are wearing pink. But wrong day, sir. Wrong day. That's Wednesday. That's Wednesday. Oh, boy. Hey, isn't that the guys we took the... No. Boy, you fine. Whoop, don't stare at me, nigga. Slide in my DMs. Did he hear me? Hey, but it's not a T, it's an I. Abby! I'm like straight up pointing at nothing. Abby! Slide in my DMs! Bless. Oh, she straight up looked. I'm like pointing the camera at them. I kind of want to go record over there, but then I don't, because what if I fall? What? I love the beach. Just kidding. There's sand, and there's gross water, and there's seaweed. For people that want to live in California because there's beaches, you should know it's gross. Alondra, what do you have to tell people that want to come to California for the beaches? It's salty, just like the attitude.
It's disgusting. I hate it. I'm getting black. I'm getting fatter.
How even?
That's a lot of salt. My sodium.
Oh. She now has high sodium. Wait, what is that called? How did, oh, dogs swim, huh? In like the ocean? I'm building a moat. Just kidding. I'm putting this for all the dead bodies. Just kidding. This is my hole to China. Linda, I'm building a hole to China. Or my mom, either one. Whatever's closer. Yeah? You think? I'm a work of art. That booty's a work of art. What is that? I'm so hot. Thank you. That water was as cold as my soul, to be honest.
Out of here with that fuckboy shit.
Dude, straight up my shirt kept going up in the water.
I kept on pushing on it.
No, like it kept going up. Like I was like,
when I left that beach, I had it cropped off.
to be honest,
When you left the water. When I left the water, I had it cropped off.
I hate having crop tops at the beach.
Oh my god, yes.
Ew, and his girlfriend's ugly. What the? No, other way, other way. You guys are, no, this one over here, the dark one. His ugly girl. Look at her. No, Alondra, wrong direction. Over here. Look at his girl. Like, I'm so much better. It's probably why he keeps looking at me like, she's great. Look at that little thing. There was a wedding over there. You think it's still there? Why would you get married on a public beach? That's weird. Guys, I'm like halfway to China right now. What? Look at my halfway to China. I'm almost there, bros. Almost there. I bet my viewers hate me, dude. They're probably like, shut up. Like, I hate. What is that? I want a canoe. Or a kayak. Who kayaks in the. Is it still in my hair?
No.
I straight up threw sand in my hair because this nigga. Really? I'm about to murder that fool. I murdered an ant. Don't think I'm not afraid to murder a bee. What's written in the stand? I keep zooming in on accident. Look at that man wearing a shirt. A pink shirt. You the man, bruh.
Don't look at my face.
Guys, I found the love of my life. Even though he has an ugly girlfriend, I'm so much better. Excuse my hair. Guys, I'm legit taking this video right now to get an image of that. Oh, he's big. I'm gonna put my phone down real quick. I look gross, but there's Bay. Even the, oh, look at his booty. Straight up, his girlfriend's ugly and gross. Huh? She's really thin. He could love me. I don't know why he playing. Hey, can you do the sexy pose for me, Alondra? Oh, damn, girl. You're gonna get all the men. Chill. Okay, but yeah.
If I die, I swear to God.